In this video, I will show you how to add patterns or graphics to clothing in Photoshop. Hello and welcome to Adobe Vibes YouTube channel. If you want to get notified whenever I release a new Photoshop photo effect tutorial video, click the subscribe button and let's get started. First, select your image. Now take the quick selection tool and select the area you need to add a pattern or graphic. After selection, go to the top. Then go to Refine. Keep Output as a selection. Now, from the keyboard, hit Ctrl+J. Now bring your pattern image or graphic image and make some adjustments and repositions. After that, right-click on a clipping mask. Now change the blending mode to multiply. Optional if you need it, you can reduce its opacity. This is before and after. If you like this video, then watch the next video that appears on your screen, you will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.